it's a very tricky question actually to begin with, and
net neutrality is the hot topic in our country. You are a telecom provider.
Yeah, there is a report now by a high-level committee which is in the newspaper, and matter has been from TRAI also. Let's hope something comes out, but anything and everything brings out new opportunities, and I am very sure new opportunities will be for SME sector also, based on the final recommendations of TRAI and the guidance directions. Because these OTT players naturally need to be encouraged. There's no point in curbing them, but at the same time, the concerns of telecom players need to be addressed suitably. So it's a very balancing trick which now the regulator has to play, and let's hope for the best. Thank you.
So what?
We're talking of today a digital world. Digital India program of Government of India, smart cities, empowerment. So all these things need a lot of effort. These are basically mission mode projects, and SMEs are no exception. I mean, everybody has to contribute. And SMEs having a lot of strength of innovation. Large organizations tend to become, lethargic and get into systems and procedures rather than thinking something different. Fresh people, young people can think different. Entrepreneurs are the real innovators. They can play a definite role, and we as Powergrid can help in connecting them in our limited way, because we don't have a very large network. But eventually, the world is going to be ultimately connected. Everybody is going to connect. I see a day when I and you need not talk. We don't have to talk to anybody. We don't have to move out of our comfort place, zone, home. Everything is done by a small device like mobile phone. That time is going to come. It's not very far off. And SMEs can play a major role, be it hardware or software. Data SMEs are already playing a pivotal role in the growth of the economy. They contribute about 9% of the GDP. And the future lies in every sector, the growth of every sector, and SMEs are no exception. I am not competent to comment on that, but I believe that a lot of special dispensation has already been given to SME sector, and if required, Government of India will definitely do more on that. But diverting from the question, really, I see basically two real challenges as well as growth opportunities for SME sector. One is in big data analytics, because with more and more IT proliferation happening, big data is going to be huge, and managing that data, understanding, really analyzing it, and what to make out of it. That is one threat as well as opportunity. Second is security, cyber security. It's a great issue. It's going to be a really simple issue, because if we have more than 100 crores of connections in the country, then cyber security is an issue. And when we are talking of putting everything onto the web or cloud or whatever we call that, security is an area in which SME sector can definitely start working and make a huge contribution. And although it's a software side, but naturally dependent on hardware, so hardware and software, both opportunities are.